Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ricardina. You know you can call me Richie. I am really glad to be back with a new video, and you know that in this channel we talk about skincare. In this video, I will be sharing how I do my own turmeric scrub at home and how you can too. If you like the vibe so far and wanna support my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. That way you won't miss out on my next video. Yes, and you already know you can find me on Instagram too. Now that you're done subscribing, let's go! Today I'm sharing one of my favorite natural skincare treatments, a luxurious turmeric scrub that's been a game changer for brightening dull skin and helping improve the appearance of hyperpigmentation and dark spots. The best part, it's made with simple ingredients that you may already have at home. So for the scrub base, I'm using sugar. Sugar is a natural exfoliant that helps gently remove dead skin cells and leaves skin feeling smoother and softer. I'm gonna use coconut oil because it's a rich moisturizing ingredient that helps nourish and soften the skin. I'm also going to add honey because it helps attract and retain moisture to the skin, and it has soothing properties. Also turmeric powder because it's known for its brightening properties and help promote a more radiant looking complexion. I will be adding a few drops of lemon, but this is completely optional, and the orange peel will be used also to add some texture to the scrub. I will begin by measuring the sugar, and just so you know, I'm not gonna be measuring everything in detail. This is literally like a do-yourself easy scrub. So I have my glass container that I will be using to store the scrub, and then I'll be using about 3 spoons of coconut oil. This body scrub is to be easy and quick to make, so I am not measuring anything in detail. As you see, I'm about to just squeeze a little bit of honey and mix together with the coconut oil. The liquid ingredients are gently warmed using a double boiler method where the bowl is placed over the hot water. This allows the ingredients to melt and blend smoothly without direct heat, helping maintain their texture and quality, and you just let it sit. Moving on to the dry ingredients, I have my sugar in the bowl, and I am literally also just adding some turmeric, and I would not suggest you add a lot because you will get yellow fingers. That's why, just make sure that you add enough until your mix has a little bit of turmeric traces. Turmeric is awesome because it's really used as an antioxidant and soothing, and it has these properties. That's why, as a dark skinned woman, if you tend to get dark spots in different areas, turmeric is your best friend. But because this is a homemade scrub, it's not gonna be as aggressive as those chemical ones, but it's still worth it. When you're done adding enough turmeric, go ahead and peel a little bit of orange. This one is really for optical reasons, and it also has its own properties. The benefits of the orange peel in the scrub are actually awesome because the orange peel is rich in vitamin C and natural compounds that help promote a more radiant looking skin complexion. It has this beautiful refreshing aroma and adds a natural citrus scent that can make the scrub feel more invigorating. You can always freestyle. If you don't want to use orange peel, you can use carrot because carrot has also amazing benefits that promote an amazing tan. A lot of oils have, like carrot oil is amazing for skin tanning. So I love the texture of the scrub. I wouldn't even want to add anything else. I think it's really beautiful and smells amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this mix in my container, the container that I also hope and want to store the scrub in. And as you can see, it's really easy to make this scrub. You have full control of how many ingredients and what ingredients you use, and it's awesome because then you can actually, get results you need for the problems that you have. I am very hairy and I need to scrub daily, and that's the reason why I am making my own scrub sometimes. Moving on to the liquid mix now, we are adding a few drops of lemon, and this is completely optional. Dermatologists do not recommend everyone lemon juice because it can cause sunburn and irritation if you go under the sun directly after it. So if you plan on using orange juice, be careful and do not stay under the sun afterwards. Because we're making our own scrub, you can decide if you want to add niacinamide drops or if you prefer adding another serum. I'm gonna go ahead and use Cica because it has this anti-aging properties. And also, again, before you mix ingredients that don't blend well together, do a little bit of research. Ask ChatGPT if this is safe, because in this case it was safe to mix it like this. Once I'm done blending the liquid ingredients, I'm just gonna pour the oil on top of my dry ingredients, which are the sugar, the orange peel, and the turmeric powder, and I'm just gonna let it sit there for a few minutes. I think this is really beautiful, and as you can see, it looks so amazing and it smells amazing. And I also decided to add a little bit of soap so that I have this exfoliating feeling of like slight foam. And then I'm just gonna mix everything together. And because I added soap that has like rose scent, this turned into a turmeric rose orange scented scrub that it is just amazing. Yes, so I hope that you liked the video so far, and go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna go ahead and test it out on my hand really quickly before we finish this video up. And again, I love the smell, I love the consistency of the peeling. I tested the peeling in my body and I did not get any rash or allergy, and that's the reason why it takes time for me to post videos here, because I never want to be out here giving advice that's gonna harm somebody. I know I am really happy with the peeling in general. I love the smell, I love the texture, and I love that the fact that I added a little bit of soap, we have this luxurious feeling. My skin felt really bright, and I noticed how a lot of ingrown hairs got released. And I must tell you that I cannot tell you that this is gonna work overnight. This is something you have to do consistently, and just so you can see the difference now, I have peeled this hand and I'm gonna clean it off real quick, and you see how my skin is stripped and clean. And in comparison to the other hand that has not been peeled, you can see how this peel is effective and it will leave your skin bright and soft. I hope that you like this video, and I hope that you try the turmeric scrub at home. Definitely mix the ingredients that are suitable for you and for your needs. My name is Ricardina and I love talking about skincare, and this turmeric scrub really changed my life so well and positively. And if you want to try it, go ahead and create the mix. Leave me a comment down below and hashtag me. I wish you all an amazing summer, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.